Google has officially announced its custom Google Tensor mobile SoC, which will power the upcoming Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro smartphones. The custom SoC will be able to process Google's AI and machine learning models directly on the phone, leading to enhancements in the camera and speech recognition features. Google also unveiled the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro in a Twitter thread, showing off the horizontal camera bar which houses 2 cameras on the Pixel 6 and 3 cameras on the Pixel 6 Pro, with an extra telephoto lens that boasts 4 times optical zoom. The Pixel 6 series will also feature the most layers of hardware security in any phone. No release date or pricing information for the phones has yet been announced, but Google has said that they will launch later this year. Google unveiled the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro in a Twitter thread, saying that the smartphone will be powered by its custom Google Tensor SoC with advanced AI and ML processing capabilities. However, the company has revealed a list of 8 regions for the phone's initial launch, which does not include India. Google did not officially launch the flagship Pixel 4 or Pixel 5 smartphones in India either, although the Pixel 4a mid-range phone was launched in the country last year. The Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro will feature a new horizontal camera bar along with advanced security features and will debut later this year. Xiaomi has launched the Redmi Book 15 series in India. The Redmi Book Pro is powered by an 11th Gen Intel Core i5 CPU with Intel Iris 10 graphics. It features a 15.6-inch Full HD display and comes with 8GB of RAM and 512GB NVMe SSD storage. Xiaomi claims a 10-hour battery life. The Redmi Book e-learning edition features the same display and RAM but is powered by an 11th Gen Intel Core i3 CPU and offers 256GB of SATA SSD storage. The Redmi Book Pro is priced at Rs 49,999, while the Redmi Book e-learning edition starts at Rs 41,999. The Redmi Book 15 series will be available to purchase from Flipkart starting August the 6th. Dell has launched the Alienware M15 R5 Ryzen Edition gaming laptop in India. The M15 R5 Ryzen Edition is powered by up to an AMD Ryzen R7 5800H processor and up to an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 GPU with 6GB of VRAM. It comes with up to 16GB of RAM and up to 4TB of M.2 SSD storage. Dell has packed in an 86 Wh battery. The Alienware M15 R5 Ryzen Edition is priced starting at Rs 1,34,990. Microsoft's Windows 365 cloud computing service is now available for business and enterprise users. The service offers users access to a fully fledged cloud Windows PC from any device, including Mac, Android and iOS. Windows 365 pricing begins at Rs 1,865 a month, which will get you a single core virtual processor, 2GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. The service tops out at an 8-core processor, 32GB of RAM and 512GB of storage for 12,295 rupees per month. There is also a discount available on monthly pricing to users who already have Windows 10 Pro licenses. Flipkart has announced some of the deals that will be available for its upcoming Big Saving Days sale. The Asus ROG Phone 3 will be available starting at Rs 39,999, a discount of 7,000 rupees. The Motorola Razr foldable phone will be on sale at Rs 54,999, a 20,000 rupee price cut. Xiaomi phones will also get a price cut as the Mi 11 Lite will be on sale for Rs 18,499, while the Mi 10T series will be available starting at Rs 24,499. The Flipkart Big Saving Day sale will start on August the 5th.